Hey guys, it's Tina here. Welcome back to another episode of Tina Tries It. Today I'm giving this a go. It's the Mistine Egg White Peel Off Mask. Now I've never tried this product, so this is the first time. It doesn't smell like egg. It smells very almost. Alrighty, so it's been 20 minutes and my face is really stiff and it's shiny. I feel like I can't really talk. So it's pretty dry now. It feels really smooth. Anyways, let's start peeling it off. Where do I start? I start up here. What's happening? It's stuck. Oh, whoa, that was intense. But my skin feels really smooth after, probably because I just like waxed all my little vellus hairs off. And yeah, let me have a look at the actual mask. Hairs came off, so do not get it on your brows. Overall, I do feel that my skin is much smoother, my pores are tighter, and also some of my blackheads have been removed, which is great.